Yeah, hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel.
No, you have to say hit that.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you said hit that like button.
Yeah.
You have to say hit that like, not hit that like button.
Okay, same thing.
No, it's not. What do you mean? It's mine.
Okay, hit that like. Okay,
You
good.
can't even. No,
Bye everybody, I'm gonna
no,
go.
say hit that like and subscribe
I did.
and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody. Wait, can I show you a hint?
No.
No, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Don't leave.
Comment down below. Bye everybody.
No, don't. Say bye everybody, but I want to show you a hint.
Okay.
I'm going to get a sleeping bag. Don't leave.
Okay,
If
not
you
late.
leave, I'm angry at you. I'm trying to get in this yacht. I'm not even lying. There's a new secret. I can't even get in.
Yeah, is the door closed?
No, it's not. There's a secret thing.
Okay.
There's a secret.
Get into the back. Okay, here you go.
Wait, I see my legs going down. That means we're gonna see. Well, I want to show you something.
Yes.
I need a.
You are inside.
We're inside of something. Okay, move. Oh my God, I'm outside. I'm out. Okay, let me try to get. Oh my.
I'm
God.
stuck. Okay, bye.
No.
See, I'm stuck. I cannot move.
No, you can.
See, I cannot move.
No.
Alright, went down.
No, go to Wolfpack. Oh no, what is this? They're a scammer. No, they're not even a scammer. I'm not lying. They're not even scammers. Okay. Oh my God. Wait, Appa, follow me. Follow me.
Follow you where?
Follow me. Get up in this yacht. Jump. Jump in this boat.
It's not letting me jump.
No, go backswing. Then get on the ladder.
It's not letting me.
No, just move. No, you're moving wrong. Just jump. Jump from the ladder.
Okay.
Okay, follow me. Guys, I want to show you a secret and my dad. So, go in the shower.
Okay.
This is wait, look at this.
I'm inside.
We have money.
Okay.
So we can buy robots.
Weapons, explosive.
Huh?
You got weapons and explosive.
Okay. Let me press the explosive.
Huh?
Whoa, you got a bomb. Wait, can you stand on the bomb?
Yeah,
Stand on it. Stand on the bomb.
I did.
No! What did you do? No, can you stand? No,
I'm holding.
Don't move. Don't put your explosive. Take off your explosive. Oh my God. Wait, I'm okay.
Okay, that's it. I'm
No,
going.
I forgot to show you something.
That's enough.
No. What do you mean that's enough?
I already said bye everybody.
Is your legs up? Because that always happens. When your legs are not up. Wait, can I show you? Let me do something. You get a sleeping bag. Follow me. I can't even. There's a connecting sleeping bag. Me. Oh. We get in my sleeping bag.
Very simple. It's okay. We'll play tomorrow. Now I gotta go. That's it. Okay, bye everybody. I'm leaving.
I'm